In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Fortnite failed to find a graphics adapter with the minimum requirements DX11 error. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped, and let's start. So the first step is to open Google Chrome or click on the link in the description and open the GeForce Experience website if you have an Nvidia graphics card, or the AMD one if you have an AMD graphics card, or the Intel one. If you have a GeForce graphics card, then what you want to do is open the GeForce Experience, click on download now, and basically this will just download an application that you can install on your PC, and this will automatically update and install your drivers for your graphics card. If you have an AMD graphics card, then open the AMD website, scroll down to the bottom and click on download now where it says auto detect and install Radeon graphics drivers for Windows. And if you have an Intel graphics card, then just go to the Intel website and click on get started where it says automatically update your drivers, and then just download the Intel driver and support assistant. These are all three softwares that will help you automatically update your drivers for your graphics card. Once you're done, you can move on to the second step, which is to update your DirectX software. So just click on the link in the description, click on free download, wait for it to finish downloading, and now once it's done, you can just click on DX Web Setup, click on yes, accept the agreement, click on next. You can just uncheck the install the Bing bar box, click on next, and now wait for it to finish initializing. And because I already have the newest version of DirectX, it says installation complete. What you want to do if you don't have the newest version, then it will automatically download it and install it, and you don't have to do pretty much anything. It says DirectX setup has determined that a newer DirectX setup has determined that a newer or equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. And just click on finish. And the last step is to click on the last link, and it will take you to this Mediafire website. Click on download. Now open up the file that just downloaded, extract it somewhere on your PC. I'm gonna extract it on my desktop. Open it up, and now what you want to do is click on edit list, click on the three dots, go to this PC, open up the drive where you have Fortnite installed at, so mine is a D. Open up Fortnite, open up the Fortnite folder again. Now go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and now what you want to do is just select these four applications one by one. So click on the first one, click on open, click on add. Now go to the second one, click on open again. Now select the third one, and finally the fourth one. And as you can see, the four applications are now here. What you want to do is now click on OK, click on force on, put the feature level limit to 11.1, click on apply and click on OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT in the item shop. Thanks for watching again, and bye.